Hello and welcome. In this lecture, we are going to talk about what is Docker. So Docker is a software platform that allows you to build, test, and deploy applications quickly. It's a lightweight, open source, secure platform. It's run natively on Linux or like in Windows Server, runs on Windows or Mac development machines with a virtual machine. Let's talk more about the build, ship, and run. That is, of course, it's an initial step for understand better, but let's go one by one. So we can create that in reproducible development environment with help of a Docker. In terms of a container, it will be shipped from that like in development environment. It will be shipped into that in same container into the test environment, and it will be shipped into that in a production. So it may be your productions environment there into that in a data center, or it may be in your like in the cloud. So it's all depend on the let's talk more on that in build, ship, and run workflow in terms of developers and IT operations. So developers can develop that in images, and in the development environment with help of build. They will be pushed into that in build it that in images and push into that in GitHub repository, and then that or like in custom repository, and then that will be it will be as a C patch that in a container, and then IT operations work will be start. They will be do the deploy, manage, and scale whatever we are like in development teams. They have a C into that in on premises, which is data center, and in that in a cloud. So I use that in terms like in build, shape, run, and many more. We are going to talk that in all these in more details. So no need to worry about that. And so just watch one by one, step by step lectures, and you'll be like in end of that, you will be mastered. So that's all about in this lecture, and thanks for watching.